Hello, it's Ashley here from Paper and Twine. I'm on today to show you my prompt number 2 for Woollysteth's art club, which was nature. I am a little bit behind, apologies, Steph. Yes, I really struggled. Hold on, the cat's meowing at the door. I knew she'd do this as soon as I closed the door. I asked if she wanted to come in. Come on then, quick, come on. Sorry about that. I'll leave the door open. Yes, so what was I saying? Yes, it's 15th of June. It's a glorious day. Absolutely glorious. There's not a cloud in the sky. It's just after 11 o'clock. Been up quite early and already walked up to Aldi to get some bread. This is boring, isn't it? Because we've run out of bread. And Mr. Paper and Twine and I have had our breakfast in the garden this morning. We've had scrambled eggs on seeded batch. Sat in the garden, which is lovely. And I've just given Barry my order for a coffee. Just got a black coffee. But this is going to be quite short. Yeah, so again, apologies that I was late for this. When I saw the prompt was nature, I was quite pleased because a lot of what I do is inspired by nature. But then when I thought about it, I thought it's a massive subject. What do I focus on? I don't know what to focus on. So I've really struggled, which is one reason why this has gone up so late, because I only made this last night. So here's page 1, which is summer, just to remind you. And thank you to everybody for your lovely comments. This is different and I'm not entirely happy with it. So it is a chunky, kind of like a triptych, although it's not technically a triptych because it's not one piece, it's been cut in 3. It's 3 separate pieces. So it's like a little fold out album. This is just simply a piece of stamp area paper from the Forest collection. To me, nature is all about things that grow, and it's actually got the word nature on it, so I thought that that was quite sweet. So we open this out. Oh, here comes Blue. Hold on, girl. And we've got this, which is another piece of paper, just graphic 45, with the definition of nature from the French English dictionary that Steph kindly gave me for my birthday. So we opened this out, and actually, yeah, it's stuck there because it was all still a bit damp. And we open it out, and here is my art journal page, because I couldn't decide what to do. And I don't know what you think of it, really. This first page is plants and insects. Well, an insect, there's a butterfly. And this is napkin art from one of the napkins that Dawn Sutton gave me for my birthday. So you can see what I've cut out. But it made me think of the old kind of botanical books that you used to get with, you know, the plates, you know, print 1, print 2, plate 1, plate 2. So that's an element I've cut out there. I like the little delicate roots, the chives, or garlic, I suppose it could be, with a garlic bulb there, and butterfly on one of my backgrounds. And then I thought, well, nature, I couldn't leave the sea out. So I've got this stencil that came free. I think it was with Indigo Blue magazine. No, maybe not. Maybe it was free with Simply Cards and Paper Crafts this month. So I've used this wave stencil, and I've applied opaque texture paste, sprinkled on some Cosmic Shimmer Pixie powder, spritzed it with water to activate the colour, left the stencil on for a couple of minutes and then removed it, and you get this kind of effect. I've never done that before, but it's a little bit of shimmer there. And I'd actually splodged a bit underneath, so to hide it I tore a little bit of my background, and using the shell part of the stencil, unsuccessfully I have to say, I applied texture paste again, sorry, excuse me, and sand when I removed it and sort of patted the sand in lightly, it's not very successful. And then on a little bit of one of my backgrounds, just a scrap, it's not mounted straight. I've got the Lavinia fish, the Lavinia, I call it seaweed, I don't know whether it is, but I do like it, and a little pound urchin stamp. So that's the middle page, which is the page that's glued down. And then I've used a mixture of Graphic 45 Woodland Friends and the Stamperia Forest collection. That's Stamperia, and that little bit is Stamperia there. And the rest is all Woodland Friends. And I've just done my own little collage really, and it's all torn little bits just to make up nature. So you've got birds, and I love owls, the little fox, so birds, animals, a little bit of plant life, the toadstools. Yeah, so it's exciting to see what this month's prompt will be, but let me know in the comments down below what you think. I really did struggle with this. It was such a big subject, I couldn't narrow it down, and I think I've gone over the top really. But it's a nice record, isn't it, to have, and I did quite like doing the collage. It took me back to primary school. So yeah, do remember to subscribe if you're not already. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll leave Woollysteph's channel linked down below. And I'm sure it's not too late to join the art club, and if you click on the hashtag, it will take you to all the videos of the participants in this art club. Thanks very much. I'll see you in a fortnight.